Yo boys, let me show you how to get rid of all these ban messages on the screen right now and how to get unbanned from all your favorite games in under 10 minutes or less. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So the ban messages that I mentioned is a hardware ID ban. The only way to bypass a hardware ID ban is to either get a new computer or use a permanent spoofer. The permanent spoofer we're going to be using today is known as Divine Permanent Spoofer. This is the most reputable spoofer on the market by far, has hundreds of customers for it, and it has a lot of vouchers. As you can see, here are all the games that it works on. It works on more games than this that are not mentioned here. Basically, any game that hardware ID bans you, it will work on because it changes the hardware ID serials on your computer. So here are the services that they provide. They have instant delivery, 24/7 customer support, hardware ID unbanned guidance for all games, one-click unbanned automated IP ban fix, customer chat, and a customer hardware ID reset tool. So basically, this spoofer also has permanent ACE spoofing and permanent dispoofing, and it stays after reinstall. So you won't have any issues with getting a delay ban because this spoofer is the best. A lot of other providers will cause a delay ban, and it's just not a good spoofer in general. And it will get you unbanned guaranteed. So here are the prices for the spoofer. They have two different durations. So they have the one time, which is 72 hours for a key, and the lifetime option, which is a key that lasts forever. The lifetime is better for cheaters that plan on cheating and will get banned multiple times, so they need to respoof anytime they do. And the one time is better for people that got banned on accident and just need to spoof once to get rid of their hardware ID ban. So even if you spoof once, your spoof will stay after this duration ends. A lot of people get confused about that. So yeah, your spoof stays regardless because it is a permanent spoofer. They also have a temporary spoofer, which is a little different. This one you have to spoof every time you restart your PC. The permanent spoof will stay forever, even after you restart your PC or reinstall your computer. So let me show you how to buy it now. So you can either buy it through the ticket system in their Discord server, which I will be leaving in the description. So you make a purchase ticket. You can write PayPal or Cash App or whatever you want to use in the ticket. Or you can go to the website directly. I recommend this for instant delivery. You go to the website. Let me just show you how to get here. So you go to permanent spoofer, you scroll down, you press purchase, select the variants that I mentioned already, you press checkout, and once you press checkout, you're going to be greeted with the payment page. So they have debit card and crypto for the website. If you don't see your preferred payment method, join the Discord server and they're going to help you out. Both links will be in the description. The website divinecheats.net is going to be in the description as well for instant delivery. So make sure you guys put in your delivery email. This is where your product is going to be sent to. If you put the wrong one, it's going to be sent to the wrong email. So make sure this is the correct one. So for your payment method, it's going to be debit card and crypto for the website. So choose whichever option works for you. Proceed to the payment. And once you complete your payment, you're going to be receiving your license key and your loader. So let me show you how that works now. All right, guys. So after you purchase, you're going to receive three different things. So you're going to have the spoofer download. You're going to have the checker, which is your serial checker. And you're going to get your license key. So the first thing that I do is open up the checker. This is where our serial numbers are displayed. So the first thing that I do is open up the snipping tool, take a screenshot of these serials, because after a spoof, they're going to change. So I need to remember them. And I'll be showcasing it to you guys. So now we're going to open up the Divine key text file, copy the license key, open up the Divine perm folder, and run Divine Spoofer as administrator. So once we run that as administrator, it's going to initialize for a few seconds. And now it's going to ask us for our license key. So I'm going to just paste it in right like that. And I'm going to press enter. So now I'm going to just wait. This process may take up to a few minutes depending on how fast your PC is. It's very important that you guys don't touch anything during this process because it may interrupt the spoof and you will have to restart. So just be patient and wait and it will begin the spoof. So I'm going to speed this part up just a little bit so you guys don't have to wait that long. Alright guys, so spoofing is completed. Now it's telling us to restart the computer. I'm going to be restarting the computer, and when I'm back, I'm going to be showcasing you guys the change serials on the serial checker. So let's get straight into that. Alright guys, so I just restarted my computer. As you can see, it took me around 2 minutes. So now I'm going to be opening up the serial checker, and I'm going to be comparing the serials from before and the serials that I have right now. So let me just open up real quick. This is the old serials that I have, the screenshot from before. And here are the motherboard serial numbers. As you can see, it has changed. These serial numbers are different from what I had before. I'll just close that out. So we have the volume serial number. This one has also changed. Your UID has also changed. As you can see, all these numbers are different, and the MAC addresses have also changed. This means that the spoof has worked and we're good to move on to the next step. So let me show you how that works now. Alright guys, so once you guys are in the Discord server, all you have to do is open up a ticket and make the support option, and you're just going to write VPN bypass to the staff team. And once you write that, they're going to help you out with the VPN bypass. This is going to help you avoid any IP bans that you may have on your server or a game that you're trying to play on. So after that, you're going to be basically done with the entire spoof process, and you're going to be ready to get back into your favorite game. So once you guys do that, you're basically done and you're good to go. So let me show you some quick vouchers for the spoofer and other products that these people have used in the server. So here are the customers. They all vouch for the spoofer or other products that EasyAntiCheat sells. So as you can see, we could keep scrolling up. They have over 700 vouchers. And yeah, it's basically one of the best spoofers you can use on the market right now. So you guys won't regret your purchase at all. And if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. So peace out.